welcome back to Kadens Adventures. Today we're going to build a volcano. I'm so excited. Let's go have some fun. Hi guys, we're building a volcano today.
Yep. So this is the things. You can mold it how you want. You get to color it, and there's a little thing of this.
Okay, so if you want to do this stuff at home, you gotta make sure you have axe the glue up and put in the glasses for safety first.
Yep. Make sure it'll be white too.
We need that.
I know what to do. What is this?
Instructions.
Little markers.
The volcano's made of
Ooh, it's the flame. This is part. It's volcano stuff. And this is the. These are rocks. Read it. I don't know what stuff is. These are really cool things.
Be careful, these are very weighty.
Yeah.
So this is the mold for the volcanoes. And this is how you put it on.
Volcanic blocks.
Thanks.
My
Thanks,
glasses
man.
keep falling, guys.
The rubber band holds it together, by the way. The rubber, they don't actually click. You have to put the rubber band on. You know volcanoes actually make mountains when they dry up?
Yep.
So the acidic edges keeps the plaster from coming out.
You have to mix 1 cup of water with your plaster.
Remember to wear your safety goggles and pour slowly. If you're still little, ask your parents to help you with the scissors. Make sure to put a little bit in it and then stop. Stir. And keep doing it over and over again.
Make sure you do it. Follow the steps.
If you have trouble, ask your parents to help you pour the mixture.
Yep. Get all the kits in, but not at once.
So it should feel like a milkshake when it's done. It kind of feels like a little bit of ice cream, not a milkshake. But you do need an ice cream to make milkshake. More. Now that looks like a milkshake. So it has to look like this when it's done. This is really heavy, so ask your parents for help.
A few moments later.
If it feels warm, it's what scientists call a exothermic reaction. Don't worry, it's not a real volcano. You turn it over and then peel this part off. I have to do this. Whoa, that's cool. That's very hot.
And I can do it.
This was a volcano we experienced. There's little volcanoes too. What do we do these?
It's very hot. It's not even hot. That's what we do now, guys.
So, pretty cool. We gotta be careful.
Yeah, it looks like ketchup and mustard.
Yeah. This is exactly like ketchup and mustard. That's not even a lot.
I'll add a little rainbow. Oh, this is hot. Okay, I'll squeeze it. No. Is red with yellow, right? Is orange red with yellow? Is orange red with yellow? Paintbrush.
Mine looks good.
Here, we're making our own volcanoes, Destin.
Awesome.
But they don't really explode. They will. What? How?
Plaster, okay.
I got to type them. So now we couldn't make like all the details.
Some yellow looks good.
I'm doing some lava dripping down on the top.
I can't believe it's gonna explode.
It looks so cool.
Yours is colorful.
Yep.
Can you get more black?
Do it like
It's
so
kind of looking
bad.
like brown.
Boring.
Okay, can I get some water because it's mixing? This is gonna look so good. Okay. So first you have to cut this, but I made sure that all of them are not done too. What? What are those like crystals?
Yeah. See? What's that does? I want to feel it.
Now. So first, you get one. Put this.
I want to see inside.
Pour it very slowly.
I didn't want
Why
it.
is it not exploding the right way?
Because we're in a kitchen.
Oh.
A little more, Lena.
More?
That is good.
I thought it's supposed
Go, 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 go! Whoa. How much points do I get for that?
All the way.
Why is it smoking? Is that just bubbles popping?
That is the chemical reaction.
Oh. What's this? Do you like it?
That's so cool.
Is that enough?
No.
Keep going.
Oh, that is all of it. I want to feel it down there.
Go, 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 go! Whoa, that was a lot of fun. We learned a lot of stuff. All about volcanoes and exothermic reactions. And I even told you about mountains and how they were formed. I hope you have as much fun as I did. Smash that white button and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Kadens Adventures.